Lesson 6-3, Example 2. Our objective is to learn the effect of additional data and outliers. So here we have some information. Miss Gray is 25 years old. She took a class with students who were 55, 52, 59, 61, 63, and 58 years old. And we want to find the mean, median, and mode both with and without Miss Gray's age. So what we're looking at here is Miss Gray's age doesn't seem to really fit with the ages of the other students. We would say that her age, 25 years old, is an outlier. And an outlier is just a value in a set that's very different from the other values. So different from the other values. And what we want to find out here is, how does that affect? How does an outlier affect our statistical landmarks, our mean, median, and mode? So let's find out here. Let's take a look at what if we did it without Miss Gray's age and with Miss Gray. So we want to find the mean for both of these, and then the median and the mode. So the mean without Miss Gray's age, well, we want to add up all of these other students here. And if we do that, we come up with 348. And we have 6 items. So we're going to divide by 6. And when I work that out, I come out with exactly 58. So 58 years old is the mean age. Our median, again, we'll line up all of these in numerical order. So 52, 55, 58, 59, 61, 63, and cross off from either side, moving in towards the middle. We get right here between 58 and 59, so that's 58 and 5/10 years old. That is our median age there. And finally, our mode, well, let's see here. We have 152, okay? We have only 155, 158, 159, 61, and 63. There is no mode in this one. They all show up only one time. Remember, mode is the frequency, how often it happens. Well, let's see what happens if we look at these numbers, but with Miss Gray's age. So our mean here, we knew that it was 348 without her, so 348 and 25 is going to be 373. And now we have 7 items, because Miss Gray brings us up to 7 total pieces of data. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 373 divided by 7 is going to come out to about 53 and 3/10. I'm rounding off there. Years old. Our median, if we add in Miss Gray's age, 25, 52, 55, 58, 59, 61, 63, and we want the middle. Our median is 58 years old. And then finally our mode. Well, we didn't have a mode before. We added in 25. There's still only one of those. So we still have no mode. So let's take a look. How did these two things compare when we had an outlier here and we did not have an outlier over here? Well, our mode didn't change at all. Didn't affect that. Our median, well, our median is a little bit higher without Mrs. Gray. It's a little bit lower with her age, which would make sense since, you know, she brought in a little bit younger there. But where we should really see the effect is with our mean, because her age is significantly almost half of what any of the other ones are, any of the other ages. So it really brings down our mean quite a bit, from 58 to 53. it drops at almost 5 years. And it really makes this class look quite a bit younger than it really is. There are, most of the people are over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them are over 53 years of age, where only 2 of them are under 53. So just having one person who is significantly younger really changes that average. When we don't have Miss Gray, 58, well, 58, pretty close, pretty close, pretty close, fairly close, pretty close. So that one outlier can have a big effect on our statistical landmarks.